Green Oil Standard is a state-of-the-art solution for offline oil filtration, ensuring optimal performance and longevity for your machinery. The systems can be installed on board any vessel for various oil applications. Compatible with all propulsion systems, including environmentally acceptable lubricants, EALs, for stern tube, azimuth, and CPP. Transmission and gearbox systems. An innovative solution for lubrication oil in both two-stroke and four-stroke engines, including hydraulic control oil for two-stroke engines. Bow thrusters, stern thrusters, and retractable thrusters, including the use of environmentally acceptable lubricants, EALs. An innovative solution for marine gas oil, diesel, and biofuels. Any hydraulics? Winches, hatch covers, ramps, steering gear, cranes, and hydraulic-driven pumps. Green Oil Lubrication, oil filtration system for engine applications. Contaminated oil from engines is transferred into the filter system by a gear pump mounted directly on the filter system, ensuring uniform cleaning performance for each filter. The oil enters the filter insert and flows continuously through the filter, leaving contaminants behind. The filter insert is designed for deep filtration, featuring a large surface area to ensure optimal filter life. Clean oil enters the chamber beneath the filter insert and flows to the oil outlet at the bottom of the chamber. From the outlet, the clean oil is directed back into the engine. Green Oil Standard, innovative solutions in oil filtration.